So we are clear about, why this rather silly sounding acronym, but to my mind it's work. I quickly go over, okay, am I being very specific? Is it measurable? Can I measure it? So, however silly it sounds, personally, it has always helped me. Just to make sure that, I'm being very, very clear. Then it's easy for me to convey it to the team. I know exactly what needs to get done. I know whether I'm on track or not. Right? So, we answered a lot of these questions. How do we really set goals? First, to be very, very clear about what we want to do. So, was it awareness? Was it increasing population? Was it making sure nests are being given out? What is it that we really want to achieve? Then second is, how will we do that? Defining the process very clearly, right? Which answers your question. Suppose, intervening with one person, right? One vision impaired person, and rehabilitating this one person is going to take a fair amount of time. But I know the process very clearly. I'm not going to, he's not going to sit in front of me and then I say, okay, now what do I do with you? As long as we're not doing that and we know the process very, very clearly, that will give us an indication of how much is possible. The how much question, it gives you yeah, sure.
I'm sorry I came in late and I might missed.
Can I just finish with that and then I'll come back to you?
Okay, sure.
Yeah, thanks. Because I've been told that the flow cannot be interrupted. So, how will we kind of defining the process very, very clearly, and this I would believe is really critical. So your production, for example, like you said, you've gone through the other objective. Who will be producing which products? What is the entire process going to be? So is that 20% increase realistic, not realistic? Kind of defining the entire process, right? Secondarily, who will do what? Do I have the resources? If I'm saying 1500 children, right? Do I have the resources to reach out to 15? Do I have enough people who will actually go and do the screening? Do I have enough people who will take the children for the referral and, who will do what? How much time is it going to take me? Clarity of process. If I know the people, I know how much time is it going to take me. How much is it going to cost me? Do I have the budgets? Do I have the money to do whatever I'm planning to do? Right? And then based on all of that, you're setting realistic expectations. And like I said, the term minimum is probably a fairly low denominator. I would go for realistic. A little higher than minimum so that you're pushing yourself. At the end of the day, we want to ensure that, our goals as not-for-profits is to ensure that we are extinct. Right? We want to ensure that it's a better place and then we can go away saying our job is being done. So how do we ensure that we're pushing that envelope just that little bit? Setting it a little higher than minimum, but at the same time not so high that we end up feeling at the end of the year saying, oh my God, I've not done anything. But making it, pushing it more towards realistically what is going to be possible.